2025 is here and the world of YouTube is evolving faster than ever. Millions of people are making a living off on YouTube. If you've been thinking of starting your own YouTube channel either to have fun as a hobby or as a career, in either way, so you reach a YouTube monetization policy which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're going to start getting paid by YouTube. And from that time, you'll be transforming your hobby into income. You've been broke and unemployed to a fully employed CEO of your own channel, and thereby being able to provide for your family. And now is the perfect time to dive in. So where do you start? Hey future YouTubers, in this video I'm going to walk you through creating your own YouTube channel as a beginner. From the basics of creating your Gmail account if you don't have one to actually creating your YouTube channel. Hey, let me tell you something, from the next 4 to 5 minutes you become a YouTuber. The fans are waiting, let's get started.
Open your browser and click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then you see a list of options. Click where you see this plus icon that says Add. Set up your Chrome profile. Click on Sign In. At this point, if you have a Gmail account, you can just type it in. But if you don't have one, you click on Create and choose for work or business. Choose the email that is best for your business. You select Get a Gmail address. Okay, here enter a first name and a last name. Click on Next. Enter a month, a day, a year of birth, and a gender. Click on Next. So it says choose a Gmail address. You can choose from the list that is provided, but you can also customize your Gmail as well. So I'm going to customize mine. Click on Next. Okay, it says that username is taken, so modify it a bit. And here you have to create a password and confirm it. So you put your password and then you will enter the same password to confirm. Click on Next. It says add recovery email. Skip. Next. Scroll down and I agree. So your Gmail account is ready. Click on Not Now. So yes, I've just created your Gmail account, and if you click back on your profile, you'll see that the Gmail address we just created is there. And now I want you to type youtube.com. Okay, when you type youtube.com, it takes you to the YouTube website, and it shows nothing at the moment because the Gmail is still very new. So you click on your profile at the top right and you see your Gmail and you see create channel. You click on it. So here you have to set your channel name. So the name you want your YouTube channel to have, you type it there. So let's say I'm creating a sport channel. I'll name it Teen Life Sports, and your handle at Teen Life Sport. So here you can select a profile picture if you have a picture that you want to set for your channel, and if not, you click on create channel and your channel is created. So you have just created your YouTube channel. But there's one more thing I want you to do. Go at the left, you see YouTube Studio, you click on it. So you are now in YouTube Studio. This is where you'll be uploading your videos. So now go to settings. After going to settings, you go to channel. Then you go to feature eligibility. and to the second option, which says intermediate feature, you click on enable and click on verify phone number.
Artlist.io.
So it says how should we deliver the verification code to you? We choose text me via a text and choose a country and enter your phone number. Then you click on next to get verified. It will send you a verification code and you enter, and once your number is verified, at this point you can upload your video. So to upload the video, you just click on upload video and you select a file from wherever you stored it in your desktop. So you can either upload through that way, or you can upload by clicking on create, and you see the same process. You select your file. So congratulations, you are now
Please guys, if you found this content helpful, give it a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend it to other people who are interested in creating their YouTube channel. If you are new here, you haven't subscribed yet, smash the subscribe button. It just takes 1 second of the time and it's totally free. If you have any comments, leave them at the comment section below. I'll pick them up. Which video do you want me to make next? Leave them as well at the comment section below. Stay safe, stay blessed. See you in the next one.
Din Life Tech.